While a meeting between the Oilfield Workers Trade Union and the Ministry of Energy and Energy Affairs on Wednesday has resulted in feelings of accord between the two. This as they report that their discussions revealed they both have similar solutions for the challenges being faced by the state oil company, Petrotrin. Marie-Therese Bernard has more.
After what the Oilfield Workers Trade Union called a cordial meeting with the Minister of Energy, Franklin Khan, on Wednesday, Union President Ansel Roger noted that they are of like mind with respect to the restructuring of Petrotrin.
Well, no, they agreed with, he said in somewhat, they agreed with our position, which was accepted by the committee, to restructure the company into 3 divisions generally. And no amount of sidestepping that arrangement will really benefit Petrotrin, you know.
Mr. Roger said that dividing the operations of the company into extraction and transport, land extractive operations and refinery works would be the ideal situation. He said workers who form part of these operations should be kept on and the many vacancies that exist in these areas should be filled. He, however, named the areas where he believes cuts in staff should be made.
In all of the areas where you extract oil and you send it to the refinery to produce the product, there are vacancies. But in areas like corporate communications and HR where they don't produce anything, they are highly overstaffed. And our focus is to immediately restructure the company, putting the focus on and the emphasis on where it matters.
Mr. Roger believes that Petrotrin is getting interference from the Minister of Finance, Colm Imbert, over which he's not pleased.
Something we learned here today is that the hole that they put on those vacancies, there's a current hole right now on the filling of vacancies. And we were told that that came from the Ministry of Energy. But we were told today that no, it didn't come from the Ministry of Energy. Our suspicion is that it came from that short fellow, the Minister of Finance, who want to send everybody home and who is preventing the filling of those vacancies. So could you imagine that? He wants the company to get revenue, but he do not want the company to employ people to win oil, to make products, to sell, to get the revenue.
The union leader said that over the years, political interference has worked to stymie the purpose of the company, and he warned that if this does not stop, the future of Petrotrin will continue to be in jeopardy.
And say what you want. We could reorganize Petrotrin in the morning. If you didn't remove the political hands from interfering in the company's operation, Petrotrin will continue to go downhill. Petrotrin need to be insulated from the political interference.
Marie-Therese Bernard, C News.